way.
ओके थोड़ा गोप्रो आई मीन कैमरा चार्ज हो गया था, दैट्स द रीज़न आई स्टॉप्ड एंड और 17 किलोमीटर्स के बाद एक डाइवर्जन है, सो दैट्स द रीज़न मैंने सोचा वो डाइवर्जन भी शूट कर लूँ. ट्रैप निकाल गया. यस. ओह फिश. थैंक्स ब्रो. After this flyover, I have to get down on this highway. मैं ऐसे भी जा सकता हूँ, but it will be like घूम के जाना. I don't want that. More 3 hours 12 minutes left. You're leaning, no, just look at your backwards. अगर कोई नहीं आ रहा, because while leaning, it's probably mostly that the bike will shift its lane. So watch out if someone is coming in the back. Back. Oh man, I love this car. Okay, I have to take a diversion here. ये बैग ना मेरे को मार डालेगा. Yeah, you can see if I go straight, I go to Davangere, Chitradurga, and if I take the left deviation, I go to Bellary. There's a hump. Every time I miss this. I have to fill up the fuel as well. I can still run up to 40 kilometers, but better safe than sorry. Oh. After this, I have to take a deviation. Then it's a straight road. It's no turns and everything. Nothing. ये जो हाईवे है, वहाँ से हमेशा ऐसे स्पीड में जाने में मिस हो जाता है. That's the reason I put a map till this place. Then after this, मैं यहाँ पे stop ले लेता हूँ usually. बट मैं नहीं लूँगा क्योंकि आज बहुत स्टॉप्स हो गए. हर आधे घंटे में मैंने ऑलमोस्ट हर आधे घंटे में मैंने एक स्टॉप लिया है.
A few moments later.
Fuel up. I have a good memory of this fuel pump. I was going back to my home in Scooty. Like I had a Scooty before Ntorq. So I stopped here At that time I was not vlogging. I had the camera, but mic was not there, so audio was effed up. So I didn't put up that vlog as well. नहीं तो 1 साल का गैप नहीं आता. ऐसे ही मैंने बहुत सारे राइड्स किए हैं. फुल प्लेन लैंड्स है जहाँ तक नजर घुमाओ.
A few minutes later.
So I have reached चेलकेरे एंड अभी रिजर्व तो आया नहीं, बट भरा लेता हूँ. इसके बाद कोई पेट्रोल बंक मिलने वाला है नहीं मेरे को. सो बेटर आई फील इट हियर इटसेल्फ. हाँ फ़ोन पे रखती हूँ. हाँ अटका दिया मेरे को. Make a call as well, so I'll just probably more 1 hour 20 minutes to go. How to reach my destination. Ouch. वैसे पेट्रोल भराने की नेसेसरी नहीं थी, बिकॉज आई हैड टू टेस्ट द माइलेज, द हाईवे माइलेज. बट इसके बाद दूर दूर तक पेट्रोल पंप्स मिलना इज़ इम्पॉसिबल. सो भरा लिया तो भरा लिया, बस और कुछ नहीं. My bike is around about to finish 13 kilometers in another 500 meters. Sorry, I can't. मैं इससे आगे नहीं जा सकता. ये मेरे बैग है, मेरे बैग मेरे छाती के सामने है, फिर मेरे टैंक बैग है. So yo, finally finished 13K on flame. Yeah. Another around 1 hour ride. But मुझे नींद आने लगा, तो मैंने सोचा कि एक बार मुंह धो लेता हूँ. So yeah, I'll resume once I leave. If I wash my face. So almost about to reach. सो इफ यहाँ से अगर हम राइट जाते हैं तो इट विल बी गोइंग टू बेलारी सिटी, एंड इफ वी गो लेफ्ट देन इट्स द प्लेस वेयर आई वाज ब्रॉट अप. अनदर 20 to 25 मिनट्स. मुझे बहुत नींद आ रहा है. नींद से ज़्यादा मैं थक गया हूँ. नींद नहीं आ रहा, बॉडी पेन कर रहा है. I mean, पैर ऐसे रखे, because I'm sitting in between 2 bags, I mean 3 bags. So yeah, so this is not the main thing. There's one more thing which I have to show you. So the thing which I was talking about is right here. If you remember This is the plant which was shot in KGF movie. The whole fighting scene was captured here. It's a big plant. मतलब बहुत है. यहाँ पे JSW cement है ये. You can see this is the cement. And behind it was JSW paints. Then if I go forward, then there's JSW energy. So you can see the cement, JSW cement. Then there's a power plant as well. And there is a steel plant. Yeah, this is all JSW has been building from past 28 years probably. So they don't waste any material. They recycle every material they use. Like जिससे भी जो भी मटेरियल यूज़ करते हैं उसका जो वेस्टेज होता है उससे कुछ और बनाते हैं. So they are pretty much good. But due to the cement plant nowadays the dust is much increased in the area where I stay. And this is the most dangerous place. So this is the JSW 10 million ton gate. And yeah, my house is probably it's not visible from here. Not visible to me and the camera both. I'm almost about to reach. Okay, go. So this is the place where I was born, brought up, everything. Or as I told you, I'm not going to home. If I have to go to home, then I have to take this diversion, but I'm not, so yeah. Now everybody will be surprised, who is this guy? Because nobody saw me in whole riding gears and nobody saw this bike as well. Because जब से लिया है तब से बैंगलोर में ही है. यहाँ रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ था बस, फिर सब बैंगलोर में ही था. 1 साल से तो बैंगलोर में ही है ये बाइक. Now probably most everyone will be shocked. Ouch. Yeah. So the work had come to meet dad. I met him. Now I'll show you why मुझे घर आना क्यों पसंद है. Not because of my childhood place, not because of my friends, nothing. Hours, exactly 6 hours, even after taking so many breaks. There's my mom. She's watering the plants, and this is Uncle's car. Son. So he's the reason for which I get happy. My work is not finished yet. Speak. Yeah. So my half of the luggage is gone. I only have is a tank bag and hey! Oldest dog in our house is Tiger. If you सामने. So he's the uncle. इस अवतार में भी पहचान गया वो मुझे. Hey. Brownie. Sit. 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 Kuchu. 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 Bye bye. Brownie side. I'm stuck. So yeah guys, if you like the video, then do hit the like button and do subscribe. See you. Bye.